Hi, and welcome to the MP3 guided reading of Vicky Cobb's biography of Harry Houdini. You will need three things to complete this MP3 guided reading. You'll need the YouTube video you're watching right now. You will need a notebook and, of course, your book, Harry Houdini, A Photographic Story of a Life. We are starting on pages 18 and 19, Chapter 2. And how MP3 guided reading will work is I will set up a question, something for you to look for, and then I'll ask you to pause the recording. You'll pause the YouTube video and then go ahead and read pages 18 and 19. Play the video, and then you'll hear the specific question that I'm asking. I'll ask you to pause the video again. It'll give you a chance to write down your answer in a complete sentence, and then we'll just work through that. There's 7 questions for chapters 2 and 3. So let's get started. On chapters 18 and 19, you're going to learn about some of the entertainment, what entertainment was like in the 1890s. And one of those big things, the kind of entertainment was called vaudeville. So pay special attention to what entertainment was like in the 1890s. Pause the recording now and read pages 18 and 19. Question number 1. How was entertainment different in the 1890s than it is today? How was entertainment different in the 1890s than it is today? Pause the recording and record your answer. Pages 20 through 22. Dime Museum. In these pages, you're going to learn about some of the entertainment that you would see in vaudeville, including a dime museum. Pay special attention to what kind of attractions you might find at a dime museum. Pause the recording now and read pages 20 to 21. Question number 2. What are some things you would find at a dime museum? What are some things you would find at a dime museum? Pause the recording now and record your answer. Pages 22 and 23. On pages 22 and 23, you're going to learn about the circus. It was one of the biggest attractions in the 1890s as far as entertainment goes. Pause the recording now and read pages 22 and 23. Question number 3. Where was young Enric Weiss living at the time that you are reading here? Where was he living? Pause the recording now and record your answer. Chapter 3, Learning a Trade, pages 24 and 25. On pages 24 and 25, you're going to learn how young Enric was very good at using his personality and his perseverance to try to get jobs, even as a young boy. Pause the recording now and read pages 24 and 25. Question number 4. Please explain to me, in your own words, how did young Enric get the job at the necktie factory? Explain how young Enric got the job at the necktie factory. Pause the recording now and record your answer. Pages 26 and 27. As Enric is working at the necktie factory, he is also trying to work on his trade. He's trying to work on becoming a better and better magician. He's working on some different kinds of tricks. Pause the recording now and read pages 26 and 27. Question number 5. Name one thing every magician needs to do. Question number 5. Name one thing every magician needs to do. Pause the recording now and record your answer. Pages 28 and 29. On pages 28 and 29, it will explain how Enric changes his name. He will get a stage name, a name that he will use for the rest of his life every time he performs. Pause the recording now and read pages 28 and 29. Question number 6. How did Enric Weiss get his stage name? How did he get the name Harry Houdini? Pause the recording now and record your answer to number 6. Believe it or not, that's the end of your reading for this week's MP3 guided reading. But there's one additional question, number 7, if you will. I would like you to defend this statement. So I'm going to say something, and I want you to use what you've read to defend what I'm saying, to kind of support what I'm saying or prove it. My statement is, as a boy, Enric did not have an easy life. As a boy, Enric did not have an easy life. For question number 7, write down some reasons why he didn't have an easy life from what you have read. Pause the recording now and record your answer. Congratulations, you've You've finished your first MP3 guided reading in the summer, and for many of you, your first MP3 guided reading ever. Congratulations, and